Hi, welcome everyone. In the previous video, I showed you how to make this map in Power BI and how to add a legend with discrete outcomes even though the variable that I used is continuous. For that, the trick is that you pick a variable and so make a new group, and when you go in a group, you select a bin, and rather than size of bin, I selected number of bins so that I can say that I need 5 or 6 bins. Second thing you need to make sure is when you select the bins, you need to make sure to go in the filter, and you need to in the filter you have to make sure that the blanks are deselected. Okay, so this can be done by using the filter command. In this graph, what you can do is you notice that the colors are not in a way that they show a shade of some value. So what you can do is when you make a graph, okay, in that graph, when you click it on the right side, and you will go into format visual, you can go into fill colors, and you can see if the data is showing something good, like this is for political stability. You can take the darker color, let's say dark blue for a high incidence, then you can take a lighter blue for a low incidence, then lighter shade for others next level, and then for the last level even lighter color. So this way you can have a scale of shade showing the incidence. If the variable is bad, so you can use the red shade. So this way you can show a continuous scale in your data. So this way you can have a uh, graph where you can add labels or legend as a discrete or variable rather than a continuous variable so that it is explainable. Thank you very much for watching.